Oh, what's up, everybody? Today we're back with another daily dose of internet. Bruh, okay, let's see what's up.
Hello
Let's get
everyone,
right
this is
into
your
it.
daily dose of
So,
internet.
truck driver, I guess, got
This
clapped
truck
by
was
a
moving a
train
wind
'cause he
turbine
didn't see
blade
it
over
coming.
these train tracks, and they didn't do a
Dang.
very good job with planning ahead.
Yo, bro, damn, bro, get out the truck, get out
The
the
truck
truck.
driver didn't sustain any major injuries.
Oh no, oh nah, he wants all the smoke.
A
He
few
wants all
days
the
ago,
smoke.
15 buildings in China had to be knocked down at the same time. The buildings were never completed and were seen as too dangerous to live in.
Bro, imagine somebody was in there still. They knocked all of it down.
Granny, what are you doing?
I'm having a cookie.
Granny, those cookies aren't for you.
What do you mean? They're for everybody. You bought them only to you?
Man, them cookies
No,
look...
but I didn't buy them for me either. Granny, they're dog treats.
No!
One of my subscribers has a dog that wants to
No.
bite every car that passes by.
Oh, nah. Not gonna lie, I couldn't have that. Because I would keep on thinking he's like about to jump out, bro. Like, look at him. Look. He's diving for the window, bro.
That's right.
No.
A few years ago, a space probe landed
you only
on a
got led by
comet
it
and
with the
briefly
chicken
captured these
nugget.
images.
What am I looking at? What is this? Man.
One of my subscribers recorded this amazing lightning strike.
Oh, wow. I swear I've seen this exact same...
I found a cool video of a
lightning
robot
strike
that
before.
uses lasers to destroy weeds that are growing on farms.
Bro found his twin. Nah. Forget the dog. Look at they both look alike. Forget the dog, bro. Your twin is over there.
Someone noticed that a bag of chips they bought had absolutely no chips inside. It was just a bag of air.
What the...
The video's ending now, so I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
He said the video's ending now.
Or daily dose of internet. Someone got some food delivered, and in the special instructions specifically asked the delivery person to kick the food as hard as they could.
Bro, what? He delivered some food and then kicked it. Who the... Bro, getting ready. Dang, nah.
Let me see that sign, brother.
Why lie? I need
Nice. Are you homeless?
This mom figured out how to make her baby
Right.
toot on command.
beer. Wait, what is she doing?
This video has recently exploded and is being shared all over the internet. A homeless man was seen writing advanced mathematical equations on the window of a building, and the internet wants to decipher what exactly he is trying to do.
Oh, I saw this. Somebody said that it was like a time traveling machine.
These dogs found a little stick and are so proud of it.
Bro,
All these people were
what?
jumping a fence to get into a concert, and this is the one person the police managed to stop.
No, why, bro, why? That's so... Why can't
These
you just
workers
let him
totally screwed up while trying to put up a billboard.
And a half a chicken. That chicken bowl, it's passed for ground. What does it say? Yo! It don't look right!
One of my subscribers told me that they couldn't leave their home
Oh no, they messed it all up.
What does it say?
Is that supposed to be Dunkin'
It don't
Donuts?
look right!
One of my subscribers told me that they couldn't leave their home because their cat refused to give up their keys. This is how workers would escape from an oil rig if it were to suddenly catch on fire. One of my subscribers sent me a video of their pet lizard swiping through pictures of other lizards.
Bro is mesmerized. He's still going. Oh, what is this? Dude, imagine sitting on one of these mountains. Sitting on one of those mountains and just seeing that.
That's the end of this video. I really
But then
hope you
again, people that go on these mountains, they're playing with their life.
enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Alright, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. I really appreciate it if you did. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace. And dude, I think COVID is kicking my ass, bro. But hey, whatever.